I'm not such an unfair guy. This is the price of your dreams.
On that day, I got to know the truth about you, MJ, and my heart broke. But I didn't know that it was just the beginning. I was going to get punished even more.
How dare you enter my life again? Tell me. Tell me.
Your betrayal gave me the courage.
I left incomplete last time. Making an enemy of Mrityunjay.
Rudra!
Mr. Roy. Dad, what's with the formality? You call your boss Mr. Roy and not your father-in-law.
How should I address you? Dad?
MJ Antara wants to see you and Rudra.
Come.
What happened, Mrityunjay Roy? Your grip loosened upon hearing your son's name. You got afraid.
I'm not afraid of you, man.
Maya. Maya. Rudra. Roy. I'm sorry, MJ, but until such time as you have your family's responsibility, I cannot support you. This would be wrong, and I'm going now. Sorry, Manvi.
Manvi, why are you resigning?
Manvi, please don't do this. The happiness on MJ's face has returned almost after 15 years. And it's just because of you.
I'm sorry, I have to go. Sorry.
Manvi is right. I have my family's responsibility on me. I had promised that I will leave Antara, and I didn't fulfill my promise.
MJ, have you lost your mind or what? Antara is gonna destroy you and you know it very well. Everything is gonna be snatched away. And this business too, that you have built with your own hands.
I don't care, Sudhir.
But I care. We won't tell anybody about our relationship. I'm pregnant.
Thank you. Thank you, Manvi, thank you.
Are you not angry? We can't hide our relationship anymore. This baby cannot be illegitimate.
It's the proof of our love, Manvi. It's the proof of our love. We have done nothing wrong. This is the best news ever. The best news. The best news, Manvi. It's the best news.
You're so perfect for him. Do you know? I can see nothing in MJ's eyes except his love for you. See, that's your baby. Everything is fine. No, let me check the medicine. Wait, Manvi, leave that, Manvi. This? Where is MJ? MJ!
Manvi?
MJ! 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 MJ, where were you? Do you know what Dia did? Dia wanted to kill our baby, MJ. Our baby.
Dia did not want to kill our baby. I want to kill the baby.
What?
Mrityunjay would turn out to be such a beast. I had never imagined. Come with me. I will get justice for you. MJ? MJ, how many times have I told you that I don't want filth in this house at all? Outside the house, whatever you want to do, just do it. But in this house, I don't want such filth. This house belongs to Mrs. Roy. It doesn't belong to such toys of yours. And you? Aren't you ashamed of having an affair with a married man? You didn't think about his wife back then. But now you have come to me with your sob story? For a woman, her husband is her dignity. He is her pride. By having an affair with my husband, you have tried to shatter my pride. How dare you? Big mistake. Big mistake. Big mistake. MJ, I don't want to see this woman in this house or in this city also.
You don't get it, Vector, once. Tell me, don't you get it?
Please, sir. Please do not hit her, please. I am begging for your mercy. She's just a kid. I'm going to convince her. Then she won't even utter a word to anyone. We won't
You
leave this child
snatched
alive.
away everything from me. My life, all my hopes. But look at the turn of events. My lost hopes. My long-lost love. I found all that in Rudra. And this time, I will not be weakened by my love. Rather, I will draw strength from my love. I will draw courage from my love. To defeat you.
What happened?
Because of me. Because of me in your house.
In our house. What's mine is yours, and what's yours is mine. Remember that? I and you, you and I. All your pain and tears are mine. My life is yours. In my life, this house is included.
I don't need this house. All I need is you. I'm sorry if, because of me, all this.
Nothing happened because of you. Mom had low blood pressure and now she's fine. Dia is taking care of her. Hey, this is your book. I have the right to sneak peek into it.
No. I can't show it until I complete it, please.
Weren't you going to complete it in Rishikesh?
Sorry. I got a bit busy.
Busy. Why? What happened? What did you get busy with? Did you find someone? Or did you fall in love with someone? Were you busy with the wedding?
I was looking for peace. It took a while to find it.
So, did you find peace here in this house?
With you.
Let's go. You haven't eaten anything. You must be hungry.
I want to finish a few chapters today. So I'll get late and then I'll become busy with everyone tomorrow. So let me finish this first.
Do you need any help?
You're already helping me.
Okay. You take care.